What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to sell photos online and make big money for yourself. I sold just one photo for $6,200 a piece and made over $16,000 for myself. And I'm going to show you how those photos that are sitting on your phone, on your computer, the photos you thought nobody's going to want to watch, nobody wants to look at, how you can sell those and make big money for yourself. And if you're a photographer, you're in luck too, because finally you will learn how to sell your work and make big money. So grab that Coke, that caffeine, that whiskey, that tea, whatever it is, and let's get started. My name is Magic Leon. I teach people all over the world how to make money and grow businesses using just your phone or the computer. So this way you can be anywhere in the world and still make money for yourself. I've been featured on many national and international news outlets like the BBC, the Telegraph, the ABC, the Yahoo News, and so many more that I can't even remember. I've trained clients from companies like Google, Facebook, Disney, John Deere, and even the CIA. If you're on this channel for the very first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon with it. This way, anytime I release a new business, money, or income video, you'll get a notification and you'll be the first one to watch it. And while you're doing that, make sure to give me a like, share this video, and write me a comment, because that will help me grow too. And for that, I thank you in advance. Selling photos is a very easy thing to do. There are basically two steps involved in selling a photo. The first one is developing your photo that you can sell, and the second one is finding buyers and selling photo to them. In this video, I'm going to cover how to develop your photo and how to sell those photos on your website using social media. And in the second part of this video, I'm going to share 5 additional ways to sell these photos, including the one that I used to sell photos for $6,200 a piece. If that is what you're interested in, there is a link for the next video underneath this video, and I'm also going to have an iCard so you can click on either of them and go and watch that video. So the very first step to selling these photos is to develop great looking photos that are sitting on your phone and your computer that don't look very nice right now. If you're a photographer, you can skip this section because you already know how to prepare your images for sales. But if you're not a professional photographer, you should go through this section so you can learn how those photos that are sitting on your phone and your computer, the ones you think that are boring, can actually look really amazing and make you good money. Most photos that you look online, that you see in the galleries, that you see in the store, they didn't start that way. Some of them were shot in the studio, so they look amazing from the beginning, but most of them were developed to look good. Here are a few examples to demonstrate my point. Here's a photo that I took from my iPhone, and we all can agree that this photo looks pretty basic and nobody would want to pay any money for this. But the minute this photo was processed, the colors were brought out. Look at that. This is amazing. I've actually sold 11 copies of this photo just taken from my iPhone, went from this to this. And that's retouching. You process, you develop your photos and you make them look good. Here's another photo of flying eagle. We can all agree that this photo looks very boring. The sky looks super faded. And the minute this photo was developed, bam, this is what we get. There is no comparison between this photo and this photo. Now this photo you're seeing on the screen, I have a photo similar to this that I took where the tiger was in the zoo behind a fenced cage, got it developed and made it look like this. And this is the photo where I sold 4 pieces of this for $6,200 a piece. As you can see, these are all very basic photos, but once they were developed, they look amazing. And similarly, you have amazing photos sitting on your phone, on your computer. All you need is a nice retoucher who can bring the magic to your images and make them look amazing. You go to websites like modelmayhem.com, upwork.com, fiverr.com, and you hire a retoucher or a photo developer. You're gonna pay anywhere between $5 to $10 most to develop each photo, but those photos can then make you a lot of money. The only other thing you need to decide is what kind of medium these photos are going to be developed for. So the photo of the tiger that I have, this was developed with the intention that it will be printed on a metal like aluminum, and that is why it was given a rough finish but also given a strong contrast which comes out really nice on the metal. And here's another photo of a rig in the waters of Miami Beach, and this photo was developed with the intention that this was going to be printed on an acrylic, and if we put lights behind it, it's going to glow. So that is why we made this image more glossy versus the tiger image, which was more rough. And it's okay if you don't know what medium you want your photos to go on. You can ask your retoucher to advise you how to develop those photos, what medium it's going to look best at. So now that your photos are ready for sales, it's time to move on to the next step and show you how to sell those photos. So selling photos online is a 4-part process. Step 1, you need a website where you will offer free images and capture email in exchange for those images. Step 2, you will drive traffic from Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Instagram to your website. Step 3, you will promote your images with email and retargeting ads. And in step 4, once you get a sale, you're going to continue the process and even scale it so you can make a lot of money selling photos online. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go online and research your competitors' ads and your competitors' websites, and then you're going to make websites and ads similar to theirs for yourself by hiring a freelancer on Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. So let's start with Facebook. You're going to go to Facebook and type the name of your competitor. Then you're going to go on their page. You're going to click on the section for page transparency. It's going to open a window where it's going to show you that they're running ads. You're going to click on the ads library, and now you can see all the ads that your competitors are running. You're going to study their ads, and you're going to have a freelancer create similar ads for you. Then you're going to click on their ads and go and study the page that they're taking you to, and once again, you're going to have a freelancer create similar landing page for you. So if you have ads and landing pages similar to theirs, it's going to work for you because it's working for them. Next, you're going to do the same thing for Google Ads. You're going to go to google.com. You're going to type the name of your competitor and see what competitors are running their ads and what their ads look like. Just like Facebook, we're going to click on these ads and we're going to see what kind of landing pages they're using for Google Ads, and we're going to create the same landing pages for ourselves. So once again, it's going to work for you because it's working for them. Next, you're going to use YouTube to drive traffic to your website. If you go on YouTube, you will see there are a lot of photography and Photoshop tutorials like PHLearn, like PixImperfect. These people have millions of followers. You can create a similar channel where you're giving photography or Photoshop tutorials, and the people who are watching photography or Photoshop tutorials are highly likely to buy your photos. Finally, you're going to create an Instagram account. You're going to upload your photos there, and then you're going to run ads to promote those photos. Here's an Instagram account of a friend of mine, Eden Chavez from Miami, and he takes photos, uploads them on Instagram, and sells them for $5,000 to $10,000 a piece. It's working for him. It's going to work for you. So now that you know what these ads should look like, what these sales pages should look like, as I said, you can go to websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and have them created for you. Or I have a great course where you can go and learn how to build amazing websites super fast for almost no money and create landing pages that convert big time and make you big money. You can also use platforms like Shopify or even Amazon and eBay to create a store to sell your photos. So now you have a website or an online store to sell your photos, and you're driving traffic from social media. But not everyone who's going to visit your store is going to buy the very first time. This is why we're offering free images and capturing their email so we can continue to market to them and influence them to buy our photos. And for this step, once again, you go to your competitor websites, you enter your email, and then you're going to get a series of emails from them. And as before, we're going to create emails very similar to theirs Because once again, if those emails are getting them business, those emails are going to get you business. So just to recap, we first developed our photos by hiring a researcher from websites like Upwork.com, ModelMayhem.com, and Fiverr.com. Then we created ads and landing pages similar to our competitors by studying their ads on Facebook, on Google Ads, on YouTube, and on Instagram. Once again, we had a freelancer create ads and landing pages just like our competitors. And finally, we created emails very similar to our competitor. So now we're going to run ads, drive them to our website, capture their email, send them emails, and get sales. Once this business starts to work for you, once you start to make money, you're going to spend more money on ads, because the more money you'll spend, the more traffic you'll get, the more business you'll get. So I hope you really like this video. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Give me a like, write me a comment, share this video. And in the next part, I'm going to show you 5 more ways to sell your photos and make big money, including the one that I used to sell photos for $6,200 a piece. And if you want to watch that video now because you're impatient, there's a link underneath this video. And I also have an iCard that you can click and go and watch that video. Hope you like this, and I'll talk to you soon.